welcome Vishal to IND TV USA and tell us our viewers a little more about your purpose of visit.
Thanks, Jasleen. Odisha, for the last decade and a half, has been at the forefront of industrial and infrastructure development in the country. We were one of the fastest growing states. We clocked a growth rate of 9% during the last decade, 2001 to 2010. With our mineral wealth, we account for 20% of the steel making and 50% of the aluminium making capacity of India. We also have a critical mass of the IT industry. We have all the big four of the Indian IT industry and many other players. We now want to, jump on to the next level of development by focusing on products and on electronics hardware manufacturing. So the idea was to take the assistance and help of TIE to promote this sector within Odisha, to attract investments within Odisha in the hardware park. We've already tied up with two of the biggest names, Hsinchu Science Park of Taiwan, for developing the hardware park in Bhubaneswar. And we've taken on Jurong Consultants, one of the world's leading master planners of tech parks, to master plan our Info Valley, the technology park that we're developing.
So what is the pact that has been signed today?
Okay, you see, when we talk of products of electronics hardware manufacturing, you're primarily talking of innovation-led industry, technology industry. The standard services-based industries there in India, also in Odisha, it is growing. But with TIE, we wanted to tap into the huge intellectual and entrepreneurial talent that exists in the Silicon Valley to help us, grow our electronics and hardware sector.
So why not Indian Silicon Valley, Bangalore? Why did you have to come all the way to US? What is it that you find here that you do not yet find in India?
You see, Bangalore again has to a very large extent been limited to the standard services-based industries. We are focusing on electronics and on hardware manufacturing. And we are focusing on innovation-led growth in Odisha. And I think there is no better place in the world to go to than Silicon Valley. So that was the idea that we came here.
So I believe Odisha is the first state who has signed this kind of a pact. What sets it apart from Gujarat? Because nowadays Gujarat has almost has come to be like a #1 state in terms of technology and development. So how Odisha is progressing and matching it, and how you are bringing it up in terms of technology?
You see, there is one critical difference. Gujarat has always been a very pro-business state, pro-industry state, while Odisha was not so, till about 15 years back. But in the last 15 years, as I was telling you, we have made tremendous progress in every sector. For example, our power production has gone up from 4,000 megawatts to 14,000 megawatts. Our steel making capacity has gone up from 2 million tons to 15.5 million tons. We are ahead of Gujarat in steel, in aluminium, and in power production. Of course, there's a lot of hype about Gujarat being there. And I must also tell you that in 2012-13, Odisha was declared as the #1 state in India as far as investments go. We attracted $100 billion of investments, which accounted for about 27% of the total investment that came to India. Way, way ahead of Gujarat. It is just that we are a bit shy. We don't like to talk much about ourselves. So Gujarat is there, and so are many other states there. We are following our own model. We are very, very rich as far as mineral resources go. We want to build upon that to add value within the state. And also IT and services sector has been growing. It is one of the strengths of Bhubaneswar and of Odisha. So we would like to capitalize on that strength and grow further.
So you think the budget and funding is appropriate?
Yes, we've kept a budget for this agreement with TIE also. And Odisha, again, I must tell you, we are a financially surplus state, unlike many other states in India. So we are very comfortable when it comes to finances, and we can undertake various developmental activities on our own.
Beautiful. Thank you for speaking with IND TV USA today.